Our first place here at the start of the day is Paliton Beach. Very popular area. They have everything you could need for the day out on the beach. It's still a little bit early, so people are starting to set up right now. But by the time we leave, I'm sure everything will be in full swing. And speaking of swing, there's a thing here that they do, a type of a picture that they call the human drone shot. Let's see. We got the selfie shots, the / Instagram shots. Now we're gonna go to another place. Tipping, tipping, tipping. Go to the Enchanted Tree. Balete. It's also called the Enchanted Tree is called Balete Tree.
And the fish spa.
Oh, and the fish spa. Watch that. On our list of the places, we arrived at the old Enchanted Balete Tree. It's supposed to have a long history of something. Tree special.
This is oldest tree, 400 years old.
Oh, okay.
Because of the many roots.
400 years old.
Yeah.
Okay.
And there's a spring under the tree. And that's why they call it enchanted, because there's some white tree before. Some spirits lives here.
So, okay, there's a spring under the tree.
Yeah.
Maybe the big fish, did you feel that? So they bit the...
Yeah, okay. It's like little wires.
This one, oh my god, look at you. Really?
I could try a little bit. How does it feel?
Yeah, it's big. Some they bite so hard.
Yeah, it's like they're focused on certain areas where I have like a mosquito bite. They're really going after that. And then sometimes like they bite the thing and then they go like that and then try to pull away.
It's nice to put the video on the bottom here.
tatongs. You mix it with oil, shake it up, and there's a little warning on the bottom of it that says, note, never bring to a funeral, wake, or cemetery. So remember. Health tonic. Purified water. Yeah, Mountain Dew.
Coke, Royal.
Mountain Dew. Cambugahay. Cambugahay. There we go. Cambugahay Falls.
Isa lang? Oo.
Gusto mo ng tubig?
Wait lang yan.
Malait na tubig.
Then one Coke.
One Coke.
Here, sir.
I'll bring it. How much yun dalawa?
We might need the soda and the water for the trip. What did they say? 135 steps?
I thank you, ma'am.
Going down is easy. The problem is coming back up. I wanted to take a bus. Alright, we're done with the swimming and refreshing. We're going to go up the 135. That makes it 270 stairs total. So let's go. Coming down was easy, but going up is going to be the challenge. I think it's easy because we hike all the time. How many is that?
Yeah, it's 135 steps.
Are you counting?
No, not that tired. I'm nervous with him.
We just had a really good lunch. I think the day's not over yet. The waterfalls was great. Got to experience a few nice things already. Let's see where the road takes us now. All right, we found one of the highlights, or one of the things we're looking for is we're looking for Annie Ponce, faith healer. We're going to be healed.
Yep.
Are you looking forward to this?
Yes.
You can go first.
Ha?
Say, kabuhion ka.
Oo. Meron sa ito?
Kabuhi.
Ano yung kabuhi?
Yung sikmura. Yung sikmura ay
Oh, yeah. He's saying that it have some stomach, you know, like stomach problem. Ate, pwede ba mag-phone picture? Okay
Pwede
na.
na. Okay na. Pare. Ada kisah sandal-sandal dai.
Thank you.
Next, yeah.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, yeah, wala mo. Sabi talaga ako may sumusunod. Yes. Sige po.
Bye. We have been spiritually cleansed, and I am now
I know.
armed
Kapil.
with my good luck amulet.
Saan tayo ngayon? Doon kayo sa loto naman? Isa? Sige, try natin isa.
Well, looks like that's gonna wrap it up for this video. It's been a long, tiring day, but worth every minute of it. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next video. Bye.